Hey, history enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Tapestry of Time. Today we're diving into a fascinating chapter of history, the gripping tale of the guillotine. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell, so you never miss out on our intriguing historical explorations. Picture this: Paris, 1792, a city in the throes of revolution. The people are clamoring for equality and justice. Enter the National Assembly, where heated discussions unfold about the need for a more humane and efficient execution method. Now, meet Dr. Joseph-Ignace Guillotin, a forward-thinking physician who champions a revolutionary idea for a swift and painless execution method. Fast forward to April 25, 1792, the first public execution by guillotine takes place at the iconic Place de la Révolution. Intellectuals of the time engage in passionate debates about the guillotine. Is it a symbol of equality or a tool of revolutionary justice? Witness the guillotine's role in the Reign of Terror as it claims the lives of prominent figures like Marie Antoinette and Maximilien Robespierre. As the French Assembly grapples with the morality of the guillotine, the controversial machine remains a fixture in society for decades. Step into the shoes of those who faced the guillotine, experiencing the emotional farewells in the shadow of this revolutionary invention. As the French Revolution concludes, the guillotine becomes a symbol of a bygone era, marking the end of a tumultuous chapter in history. And there you have it, the riveting history of the guillotine. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to give us a like, share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more captivating stories from the annals of history. Until next time, keep exploring the past with the Tapestry of Time. Thanks for watching.